Corey is asking, what's a product targeting campaign? So that's a new campaign that Amazon just rolled out. What it is you can literally target a specific product on Amazon. So in Amy's case, pet products, she could go and see like whatever the most popular kitty litter is, like on that page, say I want my product to show on that page because it's an accessory, like something that's super unique and an accessory for that product. So I'm going to go on that page and bid like $10 or some ridiculous amount in the beginning because you want to make sure that you're being shown there. And you probably won't get charged $10, but you want to have a super steep bid to make sure you get seen. And then, maybe you get a target ACoS of like, 10 or 20%. If you're in the plus, if it's, not a target ACoS, but an ACoS of 10 or 20%. If it's below your target ACoS, it's a win, even if you're bidding $10, so that's what people.
And Andy, what I've noticed, I've tested this out, and what I've noticed is if I'm just above the suggested bid, I'm on page 1 of that product. So how you see where you're at is you put that ASIN into the search bar on Amazon, right? You pull up that product, you scroll down to the sponsored products related to this item right inside of that listing, and you click the little over arrow. But if I bid just over the suggested, like maybe 10 to 20 cents over, in most cases, I'm on page 1.
Yeah.
But that's in my category. You might be a more aggressive category, and then you do need to go like $10. But don't be afraid to check it, right? Like put it in there, and then like the next day go in and see where you're at for that. If you're really wanting, like if I'm wanting to target that kitty litter, well, I want to make sure I'm on page 1, and there's an easy way to check. Just bring up that product page and make sure that you're showing in that sponsored product. So that's what I did this morning when I was optimizing my product targeting campaigns. For those that were converting, I pulled each ASIN up on Amazon and looked at it and was like, yep, I'm on page 1. Awesome. One of them I was on page 2, and I was like, I want to be on page 1. So I upped my bid a little bit. But yeah, I didn't have to go super aggressive, at least not in my category. And I've done this for a bunch of clients, and I found kind of the same thing, that as long as we're just above the suggested bid, we're usually on page 1 or page 2 in most categories. There's some that you do have to be like a little bit more aggressive, especially if it's just like a really saturated category.
Yeah, sorry, I was just using $10 as a like crazy high bid as an example.
Expensive.
But, right. No, but what I meant to, exactly what Amy said is, in other words, be super aggressive on that bid.
Like don't bid 10 cents when the suggested bid is $1. Right.
Because you're not going to get shown, and you need to get shown in order to get that data to see if that product's actually going to convert on that competitor's page. So.